In this video, I'm going to show you how to make samples for your customers and for your home show display. Basically, take a particle board, make it a little thicker, little edges there, so it would look like real countertop thickness, and putty the edges with the all-purpose putty, and then use lacquer sealer as a top coat. Couple of coats of it would be enough. That will give you a nice, smooth, finished coat for your film adhesion. Sample kit comes with 1 foot by 1 foot sample material to make smaller samples that I have here on the display. Installing the film, you follow the same steps like you would on a countertop. Peel back a couple inches of film, cut the backing paper off, and don't forget to use tape primer for your edges. So basically you adhere your first starting line, roll it up, roll the film up to the roll, and start peeling the backing. Use your squeegee to push the film down to the surface, coming slowly inch by inch, making your way out towards the other end. Make sure you clean your sample surface with alcohol before you apply the film. Make sure everything is clean. Also, I would sand the lacquer sealer with just a regular sanding block, just to sand off the raised grain from the particle board to create the smoother surface for the film application. Alright, my film is applied to the top surface. Now it's time to make corners and edges. Cutting 45 in a corner, attaching the one side that's kind of on my way. I'm attaching it to the surface and heating up a little bit just to stretch it better. Now I'm pulling this one side down, stretch it up a little bit, and then once your corner is done, you cut the excess off. You don't need that to go under. You don't want to overlap too much. And then you're doing the same thing with the other end. Heat it up and push it down to the surface, kind of stretch it a little bit, and you're done. The corner looks great. On a close view, you'll see my overlap, but in general, once the clear coat gets applied, and if you look even from a couple of feet away, you can't see the seam that I just made in there, so everything looks flawless. I've got some other samples here, other corner profiles that I made. You saw it on the other video, how I'm going over that routed edge. There's some other samples, and I want to show you one particular sample in a minute here. It's a particle board, as you can see. The top surface is the stone called Yuba Tuba. And I have an actual stone piece here that's real granite. So I want to demonstrate to you how real the surface looks. As you can see, the top coat, the clear coat, matches pretty well with the granite polishing, and the colors are very, very close. You can't tell the difference by looking from the distance, or even on a close view. It looks really similar to the real stone. That's why it's called True Look Granite.